This is Rick Renner speaking from Sparkling Gems Volume 1 for April the 23rd, and today's gem is called Golgotha, the place of the skull. And our verse is Matthew 27, verses 32 to 33. And these verses tell us, "And as they came out, they found a man of Cyrene, Simon by name, and they compelled him to bear his cross. And when they were come unto a place called Golgotha, that is to say, a place of a skull." Well, today in Jerusalem, there are two places that are reputed to be this place. One is a cliff just outside the city, which some say bears the resemblance of a skull, but that's kind of a new idea. From ancient times, early church leaders said that Jesus was crucified on the very place where Adam had been buried. And when the earthquake took place at the time of Jesus' crucifixion, the blood ran down the cross, down the crack, and fell upon the skull of Adam, symbolizing the blood of Jesus covering the sins of the entire human race. I don't know if that's true or not, but it is a fact that Jesus was buried at the place of the skull, and according to ancient Christian writers, that was the place where Adam had been buried and where his skull had been discovered.